Hey, hi, welcome back. In this session, let's see how you can create a Linux virtual machine inside an ESX host. Okay. For that, I am on the connected to the ESX host through GUI console. So, so on the right, on the VM virtual machine, so you can create a new virtual machine here, or else you can also do it from here. So click on next here and set the name something like Linux client Linux inside the ESX. Okay. So let's go for Linux here, and I have an Ubuntu virtual machine. I have an image for Ubuntu, so I'm going to select the Ubuntu Linux 64. Go for the next here, and the data store I'll be using is this one for Linux. Go on next, and let's give the two CPUs and RAM should be something. The 2 GB should be fine, and hard disk size. Let's give something bigger. 40 GB should be okay. And if I go for the next here, yeah, let's go for the next, then finish. Okay, so now we have the virtual machine. So we need to load an ISO image so that it can install an operating system. We can click on edit here and go to the DVD and over here. So insert the data store ISO, and so what you can do, you can upload a new image. So I have that location in the software. So if I go to that uh, software, so something over here I have the Ubuntu 20 can open. So that's going to upload the file in the data store. It might take us some time. You can see the progress here. So let's come back in some time. Okay, so the upload is completed. You can see that the ISO image has been uploaded in this particular data store. Click on the next step. So select that image and go and select and save it. So let's go on the virtual machine, and so it open the console, and I would like to open this on remote console. So open in the workstation. So click on connect anyway. It's going to open the console over here in the workstation. Let's see. Yeah, there you are. So it's doing some integrity check. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so you have to click inside the console, hit enter, and you have to use the keyboard now. So what it is asking you to say that the version 24 is available, but currently running. So I want to continue without updating, and click on that done here. And then now it is asking for uh, the network connection. So go with the default done, and proxy. I don't have any proxy. Go with the run, and again done. And use the entire disk. So that is what I want. So you have to use because your cursor is pointing to entire disk. So use the tab key to bring it down to. Okay, the done. And now click the enter on the keyboard. And if you're okay with that the existing partitions, so you can go with the done, or else if you don't increase anything, you can also do that. So yeah, click on done now. Or if you want to continue, yeah, use the down key, so down arrow key, and click on continue, and give some name here, and the server name, it should be I want to give same thing as a VM name. Okay, it doesn't allow me to permit uh, okay, so it doesn't allow me to permit the capital letters here. So might be that's the reason why it says that only those characters are allowed. So I'm giving the name same as the VM name. So Linux VM inside yes, okay. So the VM is one more and click on the tab and username. The same thing you can give and confirm the password. And click on tab and done. So install SSH. So I don't need that. So go for the done. He's asking about the feature server snaps. So I don't need this thing. So again, you can click on use the tab key and then click on. Once the done is selected, click on enter. So now it's going to install the kernel. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so you can see the installation message here. So what we can do, we can remove the ISO image. So let's go to that the VM here. Uh, so here we have to go to the edit settings and CD DVD and just remove that. Yeah, over here we have to uncheck the status connected power on and also this one. And that's it. Click on save. So the rest, okay, thing is still running. So let's give it and cancel. Let's wait for installation to complete. Mm, no, so let's wait for the installation to complete and then we can remove the DVD. So might be still it is locking the DVD and doing something. So, but the message shows install complete. But let's wait for some time. Okay, so yeah, the installation is completed. Now it's going for reboot. So during that time, what I can do, I can go to the settings over here, CD DVD, and you can also do it from the workstation. So, so this message should be fine. You can ignore that. So finally, we got a login prompt. Let's try to log in and check. And we are able to connect now. And I'm able to elevate to the root shell. Okay. So let's see here. Let's try to create one folder with the name inside the slash root. Okay, I need to create some folder. Okay. So let's enter some random data and just save that file, and that's it. So we'll exit and we'll stop the video for now.